There are many different types of Asian rice. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making a Chinese stir-fry using black jasmine rice. Stay tuned. I love a good fried rice stir-fry. I have made vegetable, chicken, beef, and seafood using white jasmine rice. At our Asian market, they offer white, brown, red, and black jasmine rice. So today I'm making a shrimp black fried rice. If you are unable to find the different rice, I will leave a link below in the Show More section where you can purchase it online. Black rice is known as the forbidden rice or purple rice because it has a black-purple color when cooked. It is really high in nutrition. The black rice flavor is a slight nutty flavor with a grainy texture, very fluffy and hearty. I cook the black rice the same way as my white jasmine rice. I thoroughly rinsed and drained the rice until the water ran clear, completely drained, added 1 3/4 cups of water to every cup of rice, bring it up to a boil, stir, turn the heat to low, cover, and cook untouched for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, remove from the heat and let it rest untouched and cover for 10 minutes before fluffing the rice. Also, when making fried rice, it is best to make the rice the night before and refrigerate overnight. This helps prevent sticking and clumping. This is a stir-fry, so I'm making sure I have everything prepped and ready. I have a bowl of shiitake mushrooms that I'm rehydrating and then slicing. I usually discard the stem or save it for making broth as it tends to remain a little tough. For the sauce, I have some water and I'm adding in some light soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and a little cornstarch for a thickener, giving that a good stir and setting to the side. In my pan on medium heat, I'm adding in a little oil and my cleaned shrimp, just browning for a couple minutes and then removing from the heat. In the same pan on medium-high heat, I'm adding in a little more oil, some minced garlic, ginger, and diced onions including whites of garden onions, giving that a good stir and cooking for a minute. Now I'm adding in my sliced shiitake mushrooms, red chili peppers for a little kick, and this is optional. Cooking and stirring for another minute. Adding in some multicolored bell peppers to add some pop of color, along with some diced snow peas. Snow peas are plentiful right now, and I am loving it. Cooking and stirring for another couple minutes. I'm adding in a little water to help cook the vegetables and also deglaze the pan. Can't forget to add some more mushrooms. Today I'm using some Asian beach mushrooms that I found at the market. Another good stir, and in goes the cooked black rice. Giving that a good gentle toss. Adding in my sauce and the chopped greens of the garden onions. Another good stir, and then adding in my shrimp and the juices. Cooking and stirring for another minute to make sure everything is combined, and we are ready to eat. I really enjoyed the different texture and flavor of the black jasmine rice. I've also cooked with the red rice, and both the red and black rice are good hearty rice that add a lot of bulk to vegetables and meat. And that is the great part. You can add the veggies and meat that you like, add the sauce that you like, and even kick up the heat with some chili peppers. I hope you give this Asian black fried rice recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.